Artflow Review Usage Experience. Welcome to my review of Artflow. In this video, I'll be diving into my experience using Artflow, an AI-powered art generator that helps you create unique artworks from text prompts. If you're curious about this tool, you'll find links to the product in the description below. Artflow is an AI-driven platform that lets you create original, high-quality digital art simply by providing it with text descriptions. It uses advanced machine learning algorithms, specifically a style transfer model, to produce stunning images that range from portraits to landscapes to abstract designs. The platform is designed for both beginners and professionals in the creative field, offering a fast and intuitive way to create art without the need for traditional art skills. What I appreciate most about Artflow is how easy it is to use. The user interface is clean and simple, allowing you to generate art in just a few clicks. You input a description of what you want to create, and the AI does the rest, transforming your text into a visual representation. Artflow's ability to interpret and translate creative prompts into detailed artwork is impressive, though the results can vary based on the clarity and specificity of your input. For artists and designers, Artflow serves as a useful tool for exploring new ideas, concepts, or styles quickly. It's perfect for generating inspiration or experimenting with different visual elements. However, it may require some trial and error to fine-tune your prompts and get the exact style or mood you're aiming for. Additionally, while Artflow excels at creating beautiful, abstract artworks, its ability to create hyper-realistic or highly intricate designs may be limited compared to other tools. In conclusion, Artflow is a powerful and user-friendly AI tool for generating creative artwork from text prompts. It's great for artists, designers, and hobbyists who want to experiment with AI in their creative process. Check out the links in the description to try Artflow for yourself and see what kind of artwork you can create.